An easy dish to make. Watch this video to learn how to make salmon and green beans.
Oh yeah.
Cooking channel.
Alright, let's cook, Mouse.
Savory,
Alright.
tasty,
How about the chicken
and quick recipe.
Good night.
You enjoy
Bye.
my cooking
Early.
channel.
Always enjoy life to the fullest.
You enjoy my cooking channel.
Hello everybody! Today I am making pan-fried salmon and green beans, sauteed green beans. So let's do this, guys. Ingredients for this dish are soy sauce or shoyu, oyster sauce, vegetarian, or whatever oyster sauce you have, ground pepper. We have minced garlic, 4 minced garlic, and the whole onion chopped. And of course, we have sesame oil. We also have plant-based butter with avocado oil. And lastly, for frying, I am using 100% Italian extra virgin oil, or whatever oil you guys have. So we're gonna prep the salmon. All I did was put salt and pepper on both sides. Now we're gonna fry the salmon. So I put about 3 tablespoons of oil, and then once that's fried on one side, I put butter on one side of the salmon, just to give it a little bit flavor. And make sure that you spread the butter evenly. Salmon doesn't take long to cook, so as soon as you feel like it's cooked, then you flip the salmon. It took me probably about 2 minutes to cook one side. So I also rubbed a little bit of butter on the skin side. So when the salmon was done, I took it out. Now we're ready to start our green beans. So I sauteed my onion with the same oil that was left over from the salmon. And then I sauteed my garlic. After that, I put my green beans, sauteed it with the onion and the garlic. I then added pepper, ground pepper, some soy sauce, oyster sauce, and a little bit of butter, and some sesame oil. After I mixed it well, I just made sure that the beans was fully cooked. It took me about probably 5 minutes to cook the green beans. Now our dish is done and ready to serve. This dish was so easy to make, so anybody can do it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. Mahalo.